How to send BNB from Bybit to Trust Wallet. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily do that. So the first step you're going to have to do is simply open up your Bybit application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you want to head over to your assets at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you can just search for your BNB. And once you search for it, just tap on it. Now, from here, you can click on withdraw, and then you're going to have to open up your Trust Wallet for the wallet address. So go ahead and open Trust Wallet and then find BNB on the top of your screen on the search bar. And once you search for it, just tap on it and you'll find an option to receive. Tap on receive and then you'll find your wallet address. Once you have your wallet address, all you have to do is go back to your Bybit, paste the address there, choose your network type, and enter the amount. And doing so will allow you to withdraw any amount from your Bybit to Trust Wallet. That's it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.